Yamamoto. Tell me the story again. I didn't hear a word you said. All I heard was boom.
I came in here because I thought he was in here, and I was going to see if he'd let me use the computer. He wasn't in here, so I was like, he's going to be coming back in a second. So I came in and I left the light off, and I'm sitting here like this, and he walks in and turned the light on, and I went, boom. I thought he hit his face on the door. Oh my god. Oh, my face hurts.